Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I am going to be creating a centerpiece for my Easter tablescape. So this is the color Warm Buff. I picked this up from Walmart for 50 cents. This is some of the apple barrel paint. So I'm going to give this planter 2 coats of this paint. And it's going to leave some streaks, which I end up leaving because I like the way it looked because I used a brush. And so I just wanted to do something different with this centerpiece. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 coats of this paint on this planter and I'll be back. So this is the first coat. As you can see, you can still see some of the planter, which I'm kind of liking this look. I don't want it to be looking perfect. So that's the second coat. I think I'm going to leave the planter like that. I kind of like that rusted look just a little bit. And so I'm going to detail it with these pearl stickers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, like this. Just going to outline that detail that is going around the planter. This little part was actually, it was time consuming, but it was very relaxing. I mean, this is relaxing for me because I'm a crafter. So at this point in life, try to find something that relaxes you for you to do at home to keep your mind focused on what's important. So that's what I'm doing. Well, that's what I do all the time, but I'm really focusing right now. I apologize for the setting change. Some kind of way I put the setting on black and white, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it so you can still see the process. So this video is in participation with one of my wonderful YouTube friends here. She is hosting a Easter decor challenge, and what she has challenged us to do is create some type of Easter themed decor or tabletop decor. So I'm gonna be doing the tabletop since I am doing a centerpiece for my Easter tablescape. And her name is Trisha, and I've been following her, I know, since 2016, I think. And when I say budget friendly, she has a very nice channel, budget friendly, beautiful decor. She really maximizes her spending when she do her DIYs. She give you all kind of different scenarios of how you can do it too. So go ahead and check out her channel. You're gonna love it. And tell her Mrs Vee says hello. And so what I'm doing right here is still just decorating this planter. I just wanted something different. I wanted it to contrast with my tablescape. You'll see the contrast when I show you the full tablescape. So I have a link to Trisha's channel in my description box. And please go check her out. She puts up a video every Tuesday. And you will love her videos. They're very detailed and very easy to follow. She is one of my inspirations. I just love her channel. So now I'm going to fill my planter up. That floral foam is not enough, so I'm going to go ahead. I realized I had some of these foam balls, and I'm just going to fill the planter up with these foam balls. So you know, Miss V, I'm always creative, coming up with ways to save money. And you save money by utilizing the items you already have. So stay tuned for my tablescape. So now I'm going to add my roses. I went ahead and cut them off the stem. These roses I picked up from the Dollar Tree also. That's it. I'm just gonna fill this up and I'll see you at the tablescape. All right, everybody, this is my Easter themed centerpiece. I like the way it turned out. So I'm glad I added those foam fillers. That way you can't see the bottom of the planter. So this is it. This is my Easter themed tablescape. So you know my decor style, I like simplicity. That's another reason why I like Trisha's channel. Her decor is simple but beautiful. So this is a beautiful rose gold charger that I picked up from vbrownsmith, and it has the jewel detail around the outside. It's hard for you to see. The light is washing out my color, but it's rose gold. There you go, a little better. And yes, if you're not familiar with vbrownsmith, I have a link in my description box where you can go and shop, and I think you'll get an additional 15% off using my code. And these are some beautiful rose gold napkin rings that I also picked up from vbrownsmith. So like I said, I'm a vbrownsmith affiliate, so I have the link in the description box. And remember, I also have a link to Trisha's channel. Go over and show her some love and tell her Miss V says hello. So this is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.